Starting on DigiFantasy only takes couple minutes. Here's exactly how to go from sign up to making your first place. First, open digifantasy.com, click the sign up button, and create your account with your name, email, and contact info. Next, you'll choose a membership. The Fantasy Bundle at $59 per month for access to the DFS Optimizer, Fantasy Scores, and DFS Middling Tool. Or the AI Sleep Generator at $299 per month for pre-built sleeps created by AI. Once your payment is confirmed, your dashboard opens immediately. You'll see updated tools, live ads, comparisons, and if you chose the AI option, ready-made sleeps can tail instantly. Signing up is fast, easy, and gives you instant access to smarter plays. Use the link in my description to join DigiFantasy today and start building better entries right away.